Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Gems. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest running video. So guys, let's start out today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform, which platform you can earn huge income, and today's site link in my video description. You can click there, open the browser, it will bring into this interface. As you can see, the site name is Cartier Mall, and I will show you how to create account in this platform. So without skip, watch my full video. First of all, you need to register account in this platform. So simply input your email address, put your password, and re-enter your password. After complete all details, you can see there is invitation code, and code is automatically taken. After the completed all details, simply click the sign up button. And your account ready for sign in. My account already ready, so I put my details. After I put my details, you can see there are a verification code option. Simply you put the verification code option and click the sign in option. After when you sign in fulfill complete, you can see the code is entered. So I re-enter my code and I log in this platform, and I will show you the every details in this platform. You can watch my video without skip. You can see the site all details available in here. You can simply enter the site details, and you can see the minimum investment are 10 USDT and minimum deposit MNR 5 USDT. If you deposit at 10 USDT, you can earn regular 2 USDT easily. And you can see the site all details in available in here. After you read all details, simply click the I know button. You can see the site interface, and the site is so premium. You can see that, and you can see there are a me section. Click the me section, and you can see the balance, how much balance do you have. So simply click the recharge option. I will show you how to recharge in this platform and work here. Simply click the recharge option. You can see there are 4 methods available for deposit. So simply you can choose TRC20 USDT and copy the address, go to the URL, select your C20 network and paste the address, put amount, how much amount you are interested for deposit here, and after you complete all details, simply click the withdraw option. And when you withdraw successfully done, come here and click the recharge completed button. After you click the recharge completed button, you can simply click the back icon. Again, back and you can see that my recharge are already added in my funds. I simply show you how to complete your tax, and I just simply can see there are the tax option. Simply click the tax option. You can see the there are tax available in here. So simply the complete option. You can see this is loading. After the loading complete, and I will show you the next task complete, and you can see the one task complete fulfill, and I again the click the to complete task, and you can see the loading is running, and after the loading complete, and I will show you the details. You can see the completed my two tasks, and I simply click the me section. You can see that my fund is $2, and I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. So simply go to the wallet, click add fund, select deposit crypto USDT, and I will show BNB Smart Chain network. Simply copy the BNB Smart Chain network, and you can put amount, how much amount you are interested for it, and paste your address and put your password. After you put your password, simply click the confirm button. You can see my withdrawal successfully done, and I will show you a receipt or not in my withdrawal. I wait for receipt. So I am waiting, and you can see the site interface, and you can see the BIP section. You can see there are many kind of BIP level in here: BIP 1, BIP 2, BIP 3, and BIP 2. You can see there are simple interest rate are $9, and you can see I received 2 USDT in my fund, and this withdraw too much fast. You can see that I received 2 USDT under 6 seconds, and you can see there will be BAP3, BAP4, and almost BAP12 in here. You can see there will be team section. Simply click the team section. You can see there are 3 levels for team commission: level 1, 2, and level 3. Both are good percentage for commission. You can see the referral link. Simply copy the referral link and go to the social media and share your link, and you can earn more profitable by the sharing. So don't miss the sharing, guys. Simply click the home section. You can see the language option. You can see the many kind of language in available: English, Bangla, Portugal, Italian, and Latin, Arabian, Hindi, and Chinese also available in here. You can choose your personal language, which language are comfortable for here. And you can, if you face any kind of problem in this platform, deposit or withdraw, you can simply contact the customer service. You can see the customer service details in available in here. Contact the customer service and solve your problem. And until so guys, I did not force anyone deposit here. This is your own choice and your own work. So until today's video, see you next another running video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.